Welcome back everyone. In today's quick tips video, we will discuss how to add and remove printers from Sawgrass Print Utility. After opening Print Utility, I'd like to draw your attention to the Devices page underneath the application settings. Here you will find a list of your connected devices and their status. On this page you can add and remove printers whenever you need to do so. To add a printer, you will select the Add button at the top of the screen and then follow through with the printer installation process. You will select the type of printer you wish to add and then follow through the install prompts. If you are no longer using a printer, you can remove it by hitting the trash can icon in the bottom right corner of this window. Please keep in mind that once you have done so, you will need to fully reinstall the printer if you wish to reuse it in the future. That's all for today. See you next time.